In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to cancel an Easyjet flight online. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to do this process over at the Easyjet website at www.easyjet.com. When you arrive at this page using a web browser on your computer or your phone, all you have to do is select Manage Booking at the top of the screen. Immediately, when you click Manage Booking, you will get a prompt that tells you to sign into your account using your email address and password. So log into the account that has the flight that you wish to cancel. After you are properly signed into the account, over in this Manage Bookings page, you will be able to cancel your flight as you wish. As you can see, they have a help and info section dedicated if you need help finding the specific cancel option. After you are done with this, your flight will be promptly canceled. If you are having trouble, for example, not being able to cancel the flight, or if you wish to issue a refund request, what you have to do instead is select Help at the top right corner of the screen and select Contact Us from the menu that appears. The first option is the refund request. As you can see, their team is currently processing refund requests within 7 days. So all you have to do is send a request through here. Alternatively, you will be able to scroll down and chat with them or write to them at the bottom. Regardless of which option you pick, you will be able to describe your specific issue in order to get help from their customer support. I hope I was able to help you on how to cancel an Easyjet flight online. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.